Home cleaning technology has revolutionized how we tackle household maintenance. Modern robotic vacuums, such as the Roborock F25 and Dyson WashG1, represent a quantum leap in cleaning efficiency, transforming what was once a tedious chore into a streamlined, intelligent process. These cutting-edge devices effortlessly manage both wet and dry messes, each boasting distinctive features that set them apart. Our comprehensive comparison will illuminate the nuanced capabilities of these advanced cleaning solutions, guiding you toward the ideal choice for your specific home maintenance needs. Let's start with how these vacuums feel when you're using them. Nobody wants a clunky vacuum that's hard to move around, right? The Roborock F25 is all about flexibility. It can lay completely flat thanks to its 180 degrees flat reach deep cleaning design, making it a breeze to clean under furniture as low as 12.5 centimeters. Think of that space under your couch where dust bunnies have been partying for years. This vacuum gets in there without you having to lift a thing. The 70-degree swivel design is another bonus. It's nimble enough to glide around table legs and tight corners like it's been choreographed. The Dyson WashG1 also brings its game in maneuverability. Dyson's engineers added Omni-Glide casters that make it feel like it's skating across your floors. Its low-profile cleaner head lets you reach under furniture, and the counter-rotating microfiber rollers help it stay steady even when you're moving it in different directions. Both designs are smooth and easy to work with, but they take slightly different approaches. Roborock leans into that flat, low-clearance style, while Dyson focuses on a balanced gliding motion. Now let's talk about what these machines are actually designed to do. Clean. The Roborock F25 packs some serious suction, 20,000 Pascal of it, to be exact. That's powerful enough to handle everything from spilled cereal to stubborn pet hair. It's not just about raw power, though. The DirtSmart sensor automatically adjusts the cleaning intensity depending on how dirty the floor is. Spilled juice on tile? It'll step it up. Light dust on hardwood? It'll ease off, saving battery. The Dyson WashG1 takes a different approach with its dual motorized microfiber rollers. These rollers have 64,800 filaments per square cm, which is a fancy way of saying they're incredibly dense and can grab just about anything. The pulse-modulated hydration pump ensures that water is distributed evenly across 26 points, so every pass you make is consistent. Plus, the rollers sit at the front and back, giving stains extra dwell time for more effective removal. Roborock feels like the go-to for handling mixed messes, wet and dry, on all types of surfaces. Meanwhile, Dyson's precision and hydration control really shine when you're dealing with hard floors or dried-on stains. Cleaning your vacuum after cleaning your house? No thanks. That's why self-cleaning features are a big deal. The Roborock F25 makes it easy with a self-cleaning dock. It uses 90 degrees Celsius hot water to sanitize the roller while it's docked, and then dries itself in about 5 minutes using hot air. That's not just quick, it's smart. The seal drying system keeps mold and bad smells at bay, so it's always ready for your next cleaning spree. The Dyson WashG1 also has a self-clean mode, flushing the system with clean water. It takes about 140 seconds to complete, which is faster, but it doesn't use hot water like the Roborock. While Dyson's system is efficient, it doesn't offer the same level of sanitization. Let's move on to the nitty-gritty of water tanks and dirt disposal, because convenience matters. The Roborock F25 has a well-thought-out design with its lower-position clean water tank. This setup improves balance and applies more pressure to the floor for better cleaning. The dirty water tank is lightweight and easy to empty, and the double scraper system separates debris from water, preventing tangles and streaks. Dyson went all in on hygiene with the WashG1. Its 500-micron mesh debris tray separates dirty water and solid debris at the source. The dirt doesn't even make it into the vacuum. It gets collected in a removable tray for no-touch disposal. Both its clean and dirty water tanks are designed with large openings for easy cleaning, and some parts are even dishwasher safe. Roborock keeps things simple and efficient, but Dyson adds that extra layer of hygiene and user-friendliness. No one wants their vacuum dying mid-clean, so battery life is crucial. The Roborock F25 gives you up to 60 minutes of runtime in eco mode, enough to cover about 4,113 square feet. That's impressive, especially with its new pouch battery, which lasts 3 times longer than traditional cylindrical batteries. The Dyson WashG1 offers about 35 minutes of runtime and can clean up to 3,100 square feet. It's shorter, but Dyson compensates with precise hydration controls that help you stretch every minute. Let's not forget the standout features that make these vacuums unique. The Roborock F25 introduces the Jaw Scrapers roller, which eliminates tangles and prevents streaks. It also has adaptive smart cleaning that adjusts suction power in real time based on dirt levels. Plus, the hot air drying system is a game changer for preventing mold. Dyson's WashG1 is all about precision and hygiene. The pulse-modulated hydration pump ensures every pass is perfectly hydrated, while the debris tray system keeps dirt and water separate for no-touch disposal. And those microfiber rollers? They're super handy for cleaning. Both the Roborock F25 and Dyson WashG1 bring a lot to the table, but their strengths cater to slightly different needs. Roborock is versatile, powerful, and smart, making it a great all-rounder. Dyson, on the other hand, excels in precision and hygiene, perfect for homes with lots of hard flooring or tougher stains. So, which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.